Hi everyone, it's Miss Steven here coming to you live from my kitchen. I'm sorry that we can't be together during our group time, but we can still practice at home. So our learning goal for today is to be practicing our beginning sounds in words. I'm going to show you a picture to help you with that word, and we're going to practice the first sound you hear in the word together. You guys can do this all throughout your house. You can find items and look for the first sound. You can do it when you're helping to unpack the groceries, looking for the first sound in an item that you see. So there are endless possibilities. So let's do one to first practice. Male. The first sound you hear in male is Can you try? Good job. Let's do another one. Toothbrush. The first sound in toothbrush is T. Can you try? T. Rabbit. The first sound in rabbit is R. Can you try? R. If you said bunny, you'd also be correct. The first sound in bunny is B. Can you try? B. The first sound in flag is F. Can you try? F. Wizard. The first sound in wizard is W. Can you try? W. Queen. The first sound in queen is Qu. Can you try? Qu. Apple. The first sound in apple is Ah. Can you try? Ah. Igloo. The first sound in igloo is I. Can you try? I. Pepperoni. The first sound in pepperoni is P. Can you try? P. Egg. The first sound in egg is E. Can you try? E. Feather. The first sound in feather is F. Can you try? F. Baby. The first sound in baby is B. Can you try? B. Mice. The first sound in mice is Can you try? Umbrella. The first sound in umbrella is Can you try? And last one, the first sound in octopus is Ah. Can you try? Ah. Thanks for playing with me today with beginning sounds. Next to come is going to be the ending sounds, so stay tuned.